How to turn off Gemini in Google app. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Google app on your device and make sure you are signed in, and now tap on your profile icon on the top right of your screen and further tap on the settings option. And further tap on the other settings option you see there. You will then see the Show Gemini option. Go ahead and toggle off the Show Gemini toggle button, and with this, the switch on the top of your app home screen will no longer be visible to you unless you turn it on again. So, this is how you can turn off Gemini in Google app. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.